Hi, I'm Latrina Patrick. I've been working in the nonprofit industry for more than 15 years now, and one of the most common questions I receive after people watch my YouTube videos is how to write grants. And these are mostly questions from people who are brand new to grant writing and are trying to learn as much as they can. So what I've decided to do is to design a course that specifically speaks to beginners, in particular those who have a genuine interest in becoming professional grant writers. This course is called Help Grant It. It's an online course that's taught over 4 weeks. Now, what makes this course different is the fact that it includes a coaching component. So not only will you get online instruction in the course, but you'll also have live coaching calls with me. And I think that's very beneficial because it gives you that one-on-one attention that you need to help you get to the next level. The next course that I'm teaching starts May 8th, but registration is open now. So go over to my website at www.greatervisionconsulting.com. If you sign up now, there are a lot of bonus offerings that I include in the registration that will expire at the end of this month. So go ahead and get registered as soon as possible. Also want to let you know that because of the one-on-one attention I give to the students in this class, I'm only allowing up to 12 people to register. So you want to get registered as soon as possible. So go over to my website, www.greatervisionconsulting.com, and register now.